So you might like to know, what are the results of working with a worm gang? Well, I've been working with a worm gang here at my house for about 6 years. I've got a worm gang base camp on my inner terrace, working very nicely, thank you very much. And the compost from that goes into various zones which it fertilises, one of which is my city garden. Now, this is a little construction I did a few years ago, which is effectively a raised bed, but it's based on concrete. The idea being to demonstrate that this can be done just about anywhere, and as long as there's a bit of sun onto the area, it works fantastically well. So it means that you can be on your terrace, on your car park, on your roof, you name it, as long as there's a bit of sun, you're away. So, and it's just about 3 meters away from where I'm standing. Now, my partner's over there, Jane, and she's going to show you exactly what's going on with our city garden right now. Right, so here we have the city garden. It's basically built, it's a raised bed built on concrete, and I use railway sleepers as the sides, well, as 2 of the sides anyway. And here's Jane to tell us what's going on. Hello.
Hi. Well, basically we've got about a square metre here, and in this bed, which is right next to the kitchen, we've got some culinary herbs. We've got basil, we've got mint here at the back, which we've actually tried to keep in a pot but keeps escaping. I've got some celery here which I've allowed to go to seed because I use the seeds for culinary purposes. We've got a chilli pepper coming up here, and a cherry tomato which is here at the back. This is grown from the compost that we put in here, so it's either a melon or a pumpkin. So we don't actually know what it is, but sometimes the seeds grow themselves. We've got parsley here, we've got an aubergine, we've got yard-long beans here at the back, and also the cherry tomatoes going up as support. We've got a few chives, and we've got this red popcorn, which is a very small type of corn that you can use to make popcorn, so it's a sort of dwarf type. We've had a few lettuces in here which are now finished because we're at the end of the summer. We have some more cherry tomatoes here at the back, which have actually escaped and gone up the cypresses, but they're just beginning to fruit now. You can just see the first fruits here, so hopefully we'll have a good few of those to make some sun-dried cherry tomato paste.
Thanks very much, Jane. So, is that worth the effort or what? Don't forget, this is all coming from your kitchen waste.
Right, you need to do that with your chin in it, as opposed to filming your hat.